Hey there, it's Mandy from Designer Chameleon. I hope you're having a great day. I know I'm really excited to show you my brand new journal. This is a new Archer and Olive journal that I got for 2021. It's going to be part of my new planner and journal lineup that I have been just dying to tell you about, and it's finally time. But first, let's start with this one. It is their Aquarius journal. I'm a February baby, so I thought that would be fun. It has a nice solid silver logo for the star constellation on the front and the silver on the sides. I think it's really gorgeous. If there's one thing that I would say I'm not entirely in love with, it would be the feel of the outside, because it has sort of a corduroy kind of a feel to it that I think is going to get dirty soon. But that's just a little bit of my OCD about my planners and journals coming out. Other than that, I think it's amazing, and I'm so excited to give it a shot. Before I do any actual layouts, I'm going to be gluing together this first page. This is not an Archer and Olive problem. This is pretty much an all journals almost problem. The first page just sort of doesn't lay flat. It's glued a little bit more than the rest of the pages. I'm sure there's a bookbinding reason why that happens in so many journals. It's very typical. So I just like to go ahead and glue that shut so I don't have to look at it, and I start with the full page layout. It looks nice and clean and ready to go. To start off my very first spread, I'm going to be using stickers from my new 2021 sticker kit. This sticker kit comes in 3 different metallics. I have gold metallic, I have silver metallic, and I have rose gold metallic. I actually already started playing around with the rose gold. As you can see, I've ripped off kind of the edge of this page to play with the colors and tried out some colored pencils to see what would match. If you use a lot of sticker sheets, this is a nice trick. If you want to play with them and then put them back on the sheet, just rip off the rest of that page area and it makes it way easier. So I also have washi tapes and some boxes that go with this kit. The nice thing about these metallics is they have that really gorgeous metallic look to them, but it's still my same plain matte sticker paper that I use for all of my stickers. You can write on them and do anything you want, so it makes it really versatile. I'm also going to be mixing in some of this cardstock. It's a black matte background with a silver foil, slightly holographic kind of looking star system. I thought it looked perfect to go with this new journal because it's got that star theme for Aquarius. So I think it all will blend in nicely. Hopefully it turns out the way I want it to. Okay, so I've got my rose gold border, and now I'm going to go in with the construction paper and just add a second layer. I thought it would look cute with the rose gold peeking out from behind. You'll notice that I'm trying not to get the cardstock all the way into the crease. I'm trying to leave a little bit of a gap. That's just so that my book continues to close nicely. I will be going back in with some colored pencil later. You're going to see that that doesn't work out exactly the way I wanted it to. I should have done the colored pencil first. But you live and you learn, you try new things. That's okay. So now it's time for my favorite part, the stickers. When I originally drew these up, I really saw them as being balloons. I was planning to put strings underneath them. I tried to give them a little bit of kind of a bubbly 3-dimensional look. But then I saw this construction paper or craft paper in my stash, and I thought, maybe I want to layer them with the stars, and then that idea took off. I was originally thinking I would cut the edge of the sticker off and make it sort of dead end into the side of that rectangle. But then once I stuck it down, I thought I liked the way it looked hanging off. And really, sometimes you just don't know until you start playing around, and whatever just looks good to you in the moment is what you go with. So I'm leaving them hanging off. I think that it looks super cute. I love the way that this is coming together. I think that it is Nice that it fills the page because I've got all the stars with that little punch of pink glitter, but there's still a nice bit of white space throughout the middle. So it really just kind of has a nice balance. And now to finish it off and pull it together, I'm going to take the rest of the accent stickers and find them a home. That was so tricky. I tried a few different ways that I thought I would lay them out, but eventually I ended up, coming with sort of a random arrangement, and I like that. Sometimes the less planned it looks, the more it looks, I don't know, just pleasing to the eye, easy to look at. Sometimes I overthink some of these layouts, which can cause me some trouble, and then I end up standing back and staring at it for way too long. So I like the way this turned out, but it begs the question, what is next? So this is my first bullet journal in a year, and I want to use it for a few different things that I'm really excited to put back into my routine. My next spread will definitely be for my word of the year. I also want to do a couple of spreads about personality profiles, and then I'm going to be doing my currently pages for sure, my daily motivations, affirmations, lots of things. So please drop in the comments anything that you think that I should make sure I have in my journal, other than my pen test page, of course, and I'll see you soon with more. Bye.